So rosemary is a fragrant evergreen herb native to the Mediterranean. It is used as a culinary condiment or to make bodily perfumes. Or in this case, we're using rosemary along with thyme for a body spray slash hairspray slash facial spray. It has multi-use because it has many great health benefits. Rosemary is a member of the mint family, along with other herbs such as oregano, thyme, basil, and lavender. Using rosemary on your skin will be beneficial in the long run since it contains anti-inflammatory compounds that make it useful for reducing redness and puffiness. From personal experience, rosemary helped to treat my eczema since steroids and other creams didn't help. So I'm glad I found rosemary when I needed it the most. Thyme has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which is useful for preventing acne. Plus, the aroma of these two herbs is marvellous. After cutting the herbs, my hands were smelling of the herbs, and I did not mind that. So I'm cleaning the tub that I'm going to use to wash the rosemary and thyme. صوت وخيل فما لك في الأرض درب صحيح إلى الله عدنا وبالله نذنا ليطوى زمان بائس شحيح ليطوى زمان بائس شحيح سبيل الدموع سبيل. Okay. So there I have it. The thyme and rosemary spray. It smells amazing. Like, it smells absolutely amazing. And I'm going to use it all over my hair, my body, and let it work its wonders. trays very easily, and then it just seeps right in. I'm gonna keep this in the fridge and use it within 3 days. And the other ones that I stored away in the freezer, I'm going to do the same thing, but before boiling them, leave them out for like 5-10 minutes to defrost, and then boil them and make the same thing. You happy about that?